Imagine this. Every star in the night sky, every planet, every atom in your body might be the legacy of a universe that died long before ours was born. What if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything, but simply the latest chapter in an endless cosmic cycle? A universe expands for billions of years. Galaxies drift apart like ships in a vast ocean. But one day, the tide turns. Gravity takes over, the expansion slows, stops, and then reverses. Worlds, suns, and even light itself fall inward, dragged toward a final, crushing collapse. And just when all seems lost, something impossible happens. The collapse halts. Space bounces outward in a furious explosion of light and matter. A rebirth. That new universe could be ours. The standard story says the universe began 13.8 billion years ago in a moment we call the Big Bang. From a hot, dense point, space itself expanded, cooling as galaxies, stars, and planets formed. Einstein's general relativity predicted this expansion long before it was observed. And we've confirmed it with hard evidence. The faint afterglow of the cosmic microwave background, the vast web of galaxies stretched across the cosmos, and the accelerating expansion driven by something we call dark energy. But here's the catch. About 95% of the universe is made of dark matter and dark energy, things we've never actually seen. So what if we could explain the universe without inventing mysterious forces we can't detect? That's exactly what scientists at the University of Portsmouth are exploring. They asked, what if our universe formed the same way a black hole does? When a massive star collapses under its own gravity, it forms a region from which nothing can escape, not even light. Inside, densities soar beyond imagination. But quantum mechanics has rules, and one of them is Pauli's exclusion principle. Identical particles cannot occupy the same state at the same time. When too many particles are crammed together, they push back. This is degeneracy pressure. It's the same force that keeps white dwarfs and neutron stars from collapsing entirely. Now imagine applying that same pressure to an entire collapsing universe. As space contracts toward a singularity, the pressure rises until it stops gravity in its tracks. Instead of ending, the universe rebounds, a big bounce. From the inside, it would look exactly like a Big Bang. If the theory is true, relics from a pre-bounce universe could still be here. Primordial black holes, strange neutron stars. The James Webb Space Telescope has already spotted galaxies too massive, too early, to fit standard models. Under the bounce theory, early black holes could have seeded their formation. There's another clue. Galaxies may share a subtle alignment in their spin, something that shouldn't happen if the universe is truly random. This cosmic preferred axis could be the fingerprint of a larger spinning black hole. If our universe was born inside a black hole, then every black hole in our universe could be a doorway to a new one, an infinite chain of universes, each giving birth to the next. It could even explain why the laws of physics seem perfectly tuned for life. Only universes with stable laws would survive long enough to make more black holes and more universes. If this is true, your atoms could be older than our own universe. You might be made of matter that lived and died billions of years before the Big Bang. Of course, not everyone agrees. Some say the data could be explained by measurement errors. But with every new observation, the mystery deepens. So, are we living in a cosmic child of another universe? Or is the truth stranger than we can imagine? Drop your theories in the comments and subscribe for more journeys to the edge of everything.